Hello children, I hope you all are happy and safe today. Welcome to our special English hour. Here we will sing, dance and have a lot of fun together. यहाँ हम गाने गाएंगे, डांस करेंगे और साथ मिलकर बहुत मजे करेंगे. Are you all ready to have some fun? Please stand up and come a little closer to your TV. प्लीज खड़े हो जाएं और टीवी के जरा सा नजदीक आ जाएं. Now I want all of you to sing and dance with me. Are you all ready? Let's go. Before we move on to our song, let us see what our steps look like. Children, can you tell me, in the rain, whenever we see a puddle, what do? जब बारिश में हमें कहीं पडल यानी कीचड़ नजर आता है तो हम क्या करते हैं? Yes, we jump on it, right? So our main step is pitter patter, here rain comes. Everywhere we go, let's chop, chop and chop. Very, very interesting, right? Now, our first stanza talks about paper boats. It tells us how we sail on a paper boat. Can you tell me how do we sail? Yes, we sail like this, right? Can you all sail with me? Let's go. Whoosh, a little here, whoosh, a little there. Now, in the next stanza, we talk about umbrellas. Now, I have an umbrella here. But if you don't have an umbrella, it's alright. Just hold your hands like this and imagine that you have an umbrella in your hand. Now, here our umbrella is trying to fly away. But we will not let it fly. Do you want to see how? Whoosh, no. Can you do it with me? Whoosh, no. Great. Now, in the next stanza, we talk about the most beautiful part of rain. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's the rainbow. Now, here we ask this beautiful rainbow to dance with us. Now, here we ask this beautiful rainbow to dance with us. Do you want to know how we dance with the rainbow? First, we take a turn. A turn looks like this. And then we take a spin. Now, in order to take a spin, put your hands above your head like this. And then take a spin. Can you turn and spin with me? Let's go. First, we spin. Whoosh, a spin. Whoosh, a turn. First, we turn. Whoosh, a turn. Then, whoosh, a spin. Now, let us do this same dance with some music. Are you all ready? Let's go. Paper boat, sail away. Whoosh, a little here, whoosh, a little there. Pitter patter, here it comes. Everywhere we go, let's chop, chop, chop. Everywhere we go, let's chop, chop, chop. Pretty little rainbow, will you dance with me? Whoosh, a spin. Whoosh, a twirl. Pitter patter, here it comes. Everywhere we go, let's chop, chop, chop. I hope you all had fun singing and dancing with me. Now let me ask you all a few questions. Can you all tell me what is the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning and the last thing you do before you go to sleep? क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं आप सबसे पहले उठने के बाद क्या करते हैं और सबसे अंत में सोने से पहले क्या करते हैं? Yes, we brush our teeth, right? Now, this brings me to a very important question. Do you all think having a daily routine or a timetable is important? क्या आपको लगता है कि डेली रूटीन या टाइम टेबल होना जरूरी है? Yes, having a timetable or a daily routine is very important. This is because it helps us to finish each of the tasks that we have to do in the day on time. It helps us to make sure that we do not forget or miss out on anything important that we have to do. It also helps us to ensure that we do not waste any time. It also helps us to stay calm and focused. डेली शेड्यूल या टाइम टेबल होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। वो इसलिए क्योंकि जब हमें डेली शेड्यूल या टाइम टेबल होता है तब हमें पता होता है कि किस वक्त हमें क्या करना है और इससे हमारा काम समय पर ख़त्म होता है। हम आसपास की चीज़ों में उलझे नहीं रहते और ये हमें आराम से पूरे मन लगा के काम करने में हमारी मदद करते हैं। Now that we know how important a daily schedule and a timetable is, I hope that you all will make your timetable from today and also try to follow it. We all know that words are very important for a language. So let us learn some new words. चलो अब हम कुछ नए शब्द सीखते हैं। I want all of you to listen to these words very carefully. Our first word is household. 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 I help my parents in household work. Our second word is newspaper. 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 My mother loves to read a newspaper every morning. Our third word is shower. 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 Rahul takes shower twice a day. Our fourth word is breakfast. 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 Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Our fifth and the last word is jogging. 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 I go for jogging every morning. We learn that timetables are very important. But do we know what a timetable looks like? Let us read and find out. In this chapter, we will learn about Namita Didi's timetable. Please open page number 46 of your My English textbook. If you have a textbook, point your finger on the words as I read them. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट है तो अपनी उंगली को मेरे साथ शब्दों पर रखें. But if you don't have a textbook, please don't worry. Listen to me very carefully. और अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, मुझे ध्यान से सुनिए. Also, while we read the textbook, I want all of you to look for the 5 new words that we just learned. The name of our chapter is Namita Didi's timetable. Namita gets up at 7 in the morning and brushes her teeth. Namita सुबह 7 बजे उठकर अपने दांत ब्रश करती है. Between 7 and 8, she does household work and goes through the newspaper. 7 और 8 बजे के बीच वो घर के सारे काम करती है और न्यूज़पेपर भी पढ़ती है. Children, can you see any of the new words we learned earlier today here? Yes. Household and newspaper. Between 8 and 8:30, she takes a shower. She eats her breakfast between 8:30 and 9. 8 और 8:30 बजे के बीच वो नहाती है और 8:30 और 9 बजे के बीच वो अपना ब्रेकफास्ट करती है. Children, can you see any other new words in this paragraph? Yes. Shower and breakfast. Between 9 and 10, she attends a driving class. She is learning to drive a car. 9 और 10 बजे के बीच वो एक ड्राइविंग क्लास जाती है. वो कार चलाना सीख रही है. Between 10 and 10:30, she packs her lunch and gets ready to go. Between 10:30 and 11, she travels to her office. 10 और 10:30 बजे के बीच वो अपना लंच पैक करके निकलने के लिए तैयार हो जाती है और 10:30 और 11 बजे के बीच वो अपने ऑफिस की ओर सफर करती है. From 11 to 5, she is at work. She comes home at 5:30 in the evening and takes tea. वो 11 बजे से 5 बजे तक काम पे रहती है. 5:30 बजे जब वो वापस आती है तो वो चाय पीती है. Then she goes jogging in a park from 6 to 7 in the evening. She watches TV up to 9 o'clock. वो शाम को 6 से 7 बजे तक पार्क में जॉगिंग करने जाती है और फिर रात को 9 बजे तक वो टीवी देखती है. Children, do you see any other new word in this paragraph? Yes. Jogging. Till 9 o'clock, she also does household work and sometimes listens to music. वो 9 बजे तक अपने घर के काम भी करती है और कभी-कभार गाने भी सुनती है. She takes dinner at 9. Then she reads books and goes to sleep at 11. वो रात के 9 बजे डिनर करती है. उसके बाद कुछ देर किताब पढ़ने के बाद वो 11 बजे सोने चली जाती है. Children, in this chapter we saw what are the different things that Namita Didi does throughout the day. बच्चों, हमने इस चैप्टर में देखा कि नमिता दीदी दिन भर कौन से अलग-अलग काम करती है. Now we will learn how to make a timetable for ourselves. अब हम सीखेंगे कि हम अपने लिए टाइम टेबल कैसे बना सकते हैं. And for this, I have a very special guest with me. Janessa, say hi to everyone.
Hello, children.
Great. So Janessa and I will show you all how to make a timetable for yourself. Are you all ready? Janessa, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Great. Let's go. Janessa, your first question is, when do you wake up?
I wake up at around 6:30 in the morning. मैं सुबह 6:30 बजे उठती हूँ.
Great. And can you tell me what is the first thing you do after waking up?
The first thing that I do is I brush my teeth and take a bath. मैं उठने के बाद नहाने जाती हूँ.
Great. We all know that brushing your teeth and taking a bath is very, very important, right?
Yes.
Can you tell me what is it that you do next?
Okay. So after taking a bath, I clean my home. I wash all the vessels, the clothes and clean my home. मैं अपना पूरा घर साफ करती हूँ.
That's great. You clean your house? We should always keep our house neat and clean. At around what time do you do this?
I do this between 8 to 8:30.
Great. And what is it that you do next?
After 8:30, I prepare my tiffin. मैं अपना टिफिन बनाती हूँ.
Wow, you prepare your tiffin? That's great. What all do you make?
I make salad, one vegetable and a few rotis.
Salads are very good for our health. That's great. What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is chole bhature.
Children, do you also like chole bhature? Great. Janessa, can you tell me what do you do next?
Okay, so after my house is clean and my tiffin is ready, I take the bus to work. मैं स्कूल जाने के लिए बस पकड़ती हूँ.
Great. At what time do you take a bus?
I take the bus at 9 o'clock.
That's great. And what is it that you do next?
Okay. I reach school at around 10 o'clock. After I have taught my children, I take a lunch break at 1 o'clock. After that, we have a tea break at 4 o'clock. And at 5 o'clock, the school leaves. मैं सुबह के 10 बजे तक स्कूल पहुंच जाती हूँ. दोपहर के 1 बजे मैं खाना खा लेती हूँ. शाम के 4 बजे चाय के लिए ब्रेक होता है और शाम के 5 बजे स्कूल छूट जाती है.
That's great. Do you miss your students?
I miss my students very much.
I miss them too. Now, can you tell me, after reaching home, what do you do?
After reaching home, I go for a walk in the park. मैं पार्क में चलने जाती हूँ.
Can you tell me at what time do you go for a walk?
I go for a walk between 6 and 6:30. मैं 6-6:30 बजे के बीच में चलने जाती हूँ.
It's great to hear that you go for a walk. We should always do something to keep ourselves fit and healthy. Now, what do you do next?
Okay, so after I return from my walk, I take a quick bath and prepare dinner. I have my dinner at sharp 8 o'clock. चलने के बाद मैं घर पहुंचकर नहाने के बाद खाना बनाती हूँ और ठीक 8 बजे खाना खा लेती हूँ.
That's great. It's very good to have your clock. Now, can you tell me what do you do next?
Okay, so after I have had my dinner, I read a book or I paint.
Read a book and paint. At around what time do you do this?
I do this between 9 and 10.
Both reading and painting. What do you like more?
I like both of them. मुझे पेंट करना और किताब पढ़ना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. रात को खाना खाने के बाद मैं 1 घंटा इनमें से कोई भी एक चीज करती हूँ.
That's great to hear. It's always good to do something to keep ourselves calm. Now, can you tell me what do you do next?
Okay, so after I paint or read a book, I go to bed. मैं सोने चली जाती हूँ 10 बजे.
Wow, you sleep from 10 o'clock at night to 6:30 in the morning. It's very, very important for all of us to have at least 8 hours of sleep, right?
Yes.
Great. So now we all know what are the different questions that we need to ask ourselves when we want to prepare a timetable for ourselves. Thank you, Vanessa, for coming.
Thank you so much, Athira. Thank you, children.
I hope you all like this session. Now I want all of you to try and make a timetable for yourself with the help of your friends and family. अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सभी अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली की मदद लेकर अपने लिए एक टाइम टेबल बनाने की कोशिश करें. I will see you all in the next session. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and bye-bye.